Related to this question of the Secretary General's notes before meeting with President Obama, I mean, both the New York Times and the Guardian say this was a document provided to them by Edward Snowden that shows that the actual, the talking points were taken by the United States. So I wanted to, I mean, it seems pretty personal. I just wonder if you have anything beyond what you said in August, and also whether you have the Secretary has any comment on the UK charging David Miranda, one of the workers on this project, with terrorism for conveying encrypted NSA documents, such as the one that shows the Secretary General was spied upon, and charging him essentially as a journalist with terrorism. This is something the UN has commented on in other cases. What can you say about it in this case?
Well, regarding that, we would need to see some of the further details on this. We don't have the further reasoning, but as you know, our general principle remains that that all journalists must be free to go about their work without any harassment, and of course that remains our point of principle. At the same time, of course, like I said, we're not privy to the sort of documents that were the basis of this decision. Regarding that, regarding the claims. It's in the period since we first learned of this in August that we did get in communication with the U.S. authorities, and like I said, we got the assurances that I've just described.
Could I just one follow-up, because and maybe you hadn't seen this, but the UK made a filing in court that's public that says that the disclosure of information meant to influence a government for the purpose of promoting a political cause falls into the definition of terrorism. So many people are saying this would actually cast a pall over many types of investigative journalism. So. I mean, I don't know if you've seen this, but it is a public document.
I think our colleagues in the Office of the High Commissioner for Human Rights and in UNESCO, the UN Educational, Scientific, and Cultural Organization, would be the people to ask about these sorts of things. Of course, every country has its domestic laws, and we respect that. But of course, there are certain things, including the Universal Declaration of Human Rights, that we hold to be preeminent, and we hope that all laws are in conformity with the norms, with the human rights norms that have been established. Yes.